Hello learners, welcome back to yet another program on Python programming. Today we are going to develop a Python program to generate Fibonacci sequence of length n. Read n from console. So it has been asked that you have to take input from user. So let's take n length n from user. I'll take variable n equal to int. As this is integer, we have to type as it to int. Let's take input function. Enter the length of a sequence. Now, as you know, Fibonacci sequence is nothing but if I enter the length as n is equal to 5, it is going to give me the output as 0, 1 as an initial. So when I say length 5, Fibonacci sequence basically gives you the sum of previous two numbers. So for previous two numbers, we need to have initial numbers. So initial numbers are 0 and 1. Next number I'll get as 1. Combination of or sum of previous two will get 2. Next is 3, 5 and so on. So as I mentioned here is if length is 5, I will just get output till 3. Let's try with the help of example. So as I said, your initial numbers should be 0 and 1. I'm going to initialize a is equal to 0, b is equal to 1. These are my initial numbers. I need to store some of these two previous variables in the third variable. I'll require I for iteration. I'm going to make use of while loop. So if until my I is less than n, that is 0 less than 5. So here it will go from 0 to 4. What do I need to print? I'm going to print the sum. Okay, then if you know swapping concept, we are going to swap this. Now my A is 0 and B is 1. I need to update A and B every time I move forward. So here we are going to give value of B to A, that is nothing but A is equal to B. I'm going to update value of B with, so my next value is going to be 1. So 1 is nothing but sum of A and B. So I'm going to write B is equal to sum. Sum is nothing but A plus B. I'm going to increment my counter until my condition doesn't become false. Okay, let's execute. Enter the system as I said 5. You can see here we have got 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Just like we have discussed previously. Now it's a good method or good practice to print a message. Here I'm going to make use of a message called as Fibonacci series or sequence. You can call it as anything of length n. Now I want to display value of n. I'm going to close string here n variable comma is. If you see here, I have printed the message Fibonacci series of length. Whatever length is mentioned is nothing but this particular output. I hope you have enjoyed this video. That's all for today. Thank you so much.